So starting in the first room, access is in the main building of the school, very easy access by car, but there is no lift, and it's through a 3-story stairwell, which is quite wide. One walks through the door. In this next area, box seating. So it's one box seat which comes up to this high, box in this area, decided by these pieces, the sides, the dimensions are there in the drawings. So one seat along there, going to the back, another piece along there, and then the last piece along here. But just creating boxing in the seats, and then double socket to this seat, double socket to this seat, and then the round table in the center. Either side, more walnut MFC to cover over those two pieces of framework. And there is some fitting to do with these tables. So as you can see, they've got these inserts with the plastic. This is screw fitting, so that moves. Unfortunately, while the spec said that these were wide enough, they don't go over this plastic section of the tables. So what needs to be done is this part needs to be unscrewed. And then this plastic sleeve needs to be cut to a level which allows this to still be attached, but leaves a little bit of space to slot this in and stick it with adhesive. The same to be done with this. This to be unscrewed. You measure the distance of that piece and allow enough so that it bites. Then cut this plastic sleeve to about this level here. Place adhesive all the way along, and actually place adhesive on the top of the table so that the piece that's underneath here also sticks to the top of the table. And then obviously attach this with the adhesive on so that it sticks, and then you should have that much to insert this chrome column into and use adhesive to stick it in place. Then that leaves the electrician to connect them up. Then in this area, inside these bookshelves which are already fitted, there just needs to be support so that these central shelves either side can be lifted up to sit centrally within the bookshelves. Exactly dead center. And there's 1, 2, 3 of those units, which means 6 shelves fitting. And finally, shelf supports to be used to fit these other acrylic shelves onto the wall. 1, 2, 3. And finally, the school has run out of budget, but we have these materials and we are just not going to use them. So these materials at the end of this study area, which are all these small panels of MFC, can be used for any fitting. And then also open to suggestion for use of these acrylic panels. A set of nice shelves would be good, so if you can suggest something to do with them. Perhaps a set in each of these alcoves, or alternatively, something fitted against the wall from top to bottom for use, or